Alright, you're getting the momentum. Let's see. Looking at 280 calls, guys. I'm in these.
Oh my god.
Oh my
wow.
god.
I just got paid. Oh my god.
Oh my god, guys.
I'm still in.
Holy
Yeah,
cow.
still in, guys. I'm waiting for 280 personally.
Same here with you.
That was like a Microsoft move right
Bro,
there.
my contract moved 50 cents off of that. Oh my god.
What was your fill?
I got filled at 452. So I have room on this if it pulls back a little bit.
I got 460. I'm gonna get a little greedy here and hold. Oh, there it goes.
There's a trend on the 1 minute, but it's irrelevant.
Yeah, it's right here.
NQ is pushing through here though. Gotta be careful.
These are the days that Nvidia goes wild when it's ahead of the
guys,
market.
I'm
Like
holding
this.
here, guys.
Yeah, I'm holding
Personally,
too.
I'm getting greedy. I'm gonna wait for the 280 break.
Here
Oh
it
my
comes.
god.
Oh my no, we're
Yo, we're gonna cash out?
yeah. But I might hold it at 281 with how strong it is.
Really?
Yeah. These days that Nvidia pushes ahead of the market, bro. These are the days to
Yo,
capitalize.
here we go,
on it.
Frankie.
Give it to me.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm
yo.
out.
Oh my god, Frankie, let's go.
Let's
I'm
go.
out.
Let's go.
It's a Monday. I'm out.
Oh my god.
If-
Guys,
if-
oh
I'm
there it
still
goes.
holding- I'm still
Oh my
holding.
god,
I
I'm
just
still holding
I
too.
just got out. I just got
That
out.
was smacking, bro. Oh my
Holy
god.
shit.
Let's go, Nor.
Holy
Dude.
shit.
Frankie, your buy was a sniper, bro.
Bro, I'm up $1 on these contracts.
I had
I'm willing to
473.
rinse this.